guys, today we talk about how can you delete your account on your GetYourGuide app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go down, click your own profile down here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on profile, you just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just click here on delete account. So then it's going to take you to next step here, you just switch into open video. So then here you select your reason here. So then automatically here when you select the reason, it's going to delete video. It's going to delete video on your account. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.